eat. Coming out the gate strong. We got 3 left on the plate here. Make some noise if you think the winner's over here. What about right here? Right here. Here, my little king. No love, no love. He's doing his on his last MOMO. You gotta get it down. Oh my God, he's going. Show me the mouth in your eyes. You gotta open your mouth. Let's see. He's gone. 44 seconds. What's your name? This is Alex, everybody. Alex Lee. You got anything to say?
Fucking momos are great.
Momos are great.
Your prize will be waiting for you under the blue tent.
Your prize is waiting for you under the blue tent. We've got that ruby beer ready for you. I know Alex is going to be looking forward to enjoying that with some friends later and enjoying it responsibly, because that's what you should do with alcohol.
New punk.
Yeah.
Do I have an Emily?
You can squeeze in right over here.
What?
The crawl, the MOMO crawl.
Oh, it was amazing. I really like the Mom's MOMO.
Mom's MOMO, everyone? Anyone else try Mom's MOMO?
It was one of the Himalayan ones. It said the Himalayan something at the end, but not the. I don't know if it was the yak. I thought it was the other Himalayan.
Taste of Himalaya? Taste. What'd you like?
Himalayan yak.
Himalayan yak. Great outdoor, that place. You know, their door looks really good, is what I'm trying to say. Like their door.
Well, I regularly get frozen momos from, which one was it?
Yeah, it's on there somewhere. It's fine.
Banchagar. I read frozen momos are great.
And Bali Banchagar, folks? Who thinks they can keep the title this year? Who thinks it's going somewhere else? Let me tell you, folks, I had to get the title belt from them earlier today. They had it bolted on the wall. They did not want to give it to me. But if you want to support Banchagar, they are there all throughout the year, and I encourage you to do so. What did you like to eat?
I liked I think it was Tibetan Japanese or Momo Sushi /
Momo Sushi, Tibetan and Japanese kitchen. One of the first Tibetan Japanese hybrid fusion restaurants here. And where did you like it?
Omwok.
Omwok. Who likes Omwok? You think Omwok's gonna take it back this year? How about that Omwok Nepali Banchagar rivalry, huh? All right, who wants that ruby beer? I feel like you guys don't really want it that much. Who wants that ruby beer? All right, on your marks, get set. You wanna open that water for? Okay, on your mark. Yeah, take a moment to open all your waters. I mean, better now than later. Okay, 3, 2, 1, eat.
Yeah.
Okay. Sing the lyrics if you know them. Sha, 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 paleteo, hey. Who thinks it's coming this way? Who thinks it's coming this way? Over here! Right here! Right here! Right here! Good pace, folks. We've got 2 left on this plate over here. Going all the way. She got the last one. She's chilling. JD! right, folks, how are we feeling? Feeling good?
I'm good.
You feel really good? Like,
Free Tibet and go birds!
free Tibet and go birds! All right, thank you guys so much. You can take that Momo with you if you like. Provided us with the Momo used here today in the Momo eating contest. So if you're curious about what their Momo tastes like, go ahead and ask any of the competitors. They'll be able to tell you. I'm sure it'll be a good review. They've been one of the longest standing Tibetan restaurants here in Jackson Heights, gotta say. They used to have their first location right over there. It was upstairs. Now they've got a second location downstairs across the street. We call them upstairs Payo and downstairs Payo, or Payo 1 and Payo 2 if you look for them on Google Maps.
I want to introduce a really quick organization who's been supporting us year over year. Jessica Gonzalez Rojas is a New York State Assembly member representing the 34th District in Queens, which includes the neighborhoods of Astoria, Corona, East Elmhurst, Jackson Heights, and Woodside. She's a progressive Democrat and community activist who was first elected in 2020.
How we feeling, Jackson Heights? Is your bellies full and your heart is happy? Yes, I just had some delicious momos. So my name is Jessica Gonzalez Rojas. I am so proud to represent the neighborhoods of Jackson Heights, East Elmhurst, Corona, Woodside, and Astoria, the home of the best momos in the United States of America. And wonderful to celebrate all the participating restaurants and street trucks and food vendors, because this is such a wonderful celebration of the Tibetan and Himalayan culture here in Queens. And this is a wonderful celebration. I want to thank all the organizers. Let's give a shout out and a big applause to all the organizers, all the young people at the front lines of doing this important cultural celebration. It's also a celebration of our small businesses here in the community, and many of the winners in the past couple years have been in my district, so I always come back after the Momo crawl, whoever wins, and I recognize them as well with a wonderful meal. So thank you so much for being part of this incredible day, for celebrating the Tibetan and Himalayan culture here in Queens, but also across the globe. It's really a representation of who we are in Queens, which is the world's borough. So I'm excited to hear who wins today. I'm really, really thrilled. I tried all the restaurants and all the food trucks, so I can't wait to hear. But thank you all for participating. I hope you're happy. Again, your belly's full and your heart is happy. Love you all. Take care.
All right, guys, let's get ready for the next round.
Hey.
Nodded. Can you read this? I can't read it either. Nodded T.
Not as tea, everybody.
I hope your Momo eating is better than your handwriting.
New York, he is the first Filipino American to be elected in New York State. All right. Where did you go today, and what did you like?
Oh, my favorite was Mom's Momos.
Mom's Momos?
Mine was also the same, Mama's Momos.
Can't be Mom's Momos.
Himalayan yacht.
A lot of love for Himalayan yak today.
Gorkali.
Gorkali, first time Gorkali mentioned.
Omar.
Omwak. Stephen Raga, where did you go today?
Lakeside.
Lakeside. Lakeside participated in the crawl for the first time last year, but placed third, which is not common. So we'll see how they do this year. Who else went to Lakeside today? All right, I see one hand in the back.
All right, Vincent, really quickly before we begin. You guys, this is the last round of the Momo eating contest. So make this count. I think the shortest time we had was 45 seconds. I want to see who can beat that. And then with that said,
go ahead and open your water. Again, yes, the time to beat is 45 seconds. Who here thinks they can beat 45 seconds? We got one hand up. Alan, why do you feel so confident today?
It's like I know it's 45 seconds, so I mean, I'll get 40 seconds, I'm sure.
He's goal focused. What do you think you're scoring?
44 seconds.
43.
43! Where's this going?
Like a healthy 3 minutes.
Okay. It's important to chew your food, folks. Again, we endorse chewing. It's so good. Steven Raga.
55 seconds.
55. All right. You participated last year, right?
I lost to Chuck Park.
Chuck Park, council members, Krishnan's former chief of staff, participated in the crawl last year. Beat Steven Raga by 1 second. It was a close one. You had to be there. Do we have Chuck Park here today? He's scared. You're a lucky day, Steven.
What was that? Yeah, absolutely.
All right, everyone. Who wants that rupee beer? Get ready to eat in 3, 2, 1, eat.
Yeah. What was the A?
Who thinks it's Raga?
Yeah. Okay.
Tobias Wurton. Right over here. Right here. Right here. On the end. Toby come out and he's got 3 left on his plate. I see 3 left on that end of the table. Who's it gonna be? He's shaking his head. He can't believe he's doing this again. He's having deja vu. That is the 1 minute mark, folks. On the plate here. At the end of the table, what do we got? What do we got? It's close, it's close, it's close. What's gonna happen? Who got it? Neck and neck. Number 3 and number 6. 3 and 6. 3 and 6. Let's hear it for Dan, everybody! By a hair!
That was a minute and 25 seconds.
1 minute and 25 seconds! It didn't quite hit 43, but still pretty speedy. Gotta say, much faster eating this year than last year. Granted, there are fewer momos on the plate this year. Last year we had 8 on a plate. This year we have 6. I believe last year the record was maybe a minute and 14 seconds. Something like that. All right, how do you feel, Darren?
Full. Very full.
What did you enjoy the call today? What did you like about it? Just you say whatever you want, man. I'm giving you a microphone.
I love Momo.
He loves Momo. Make some noise if you love Momo. All right, you guys can keep that Momo with you. Stay tuned, because coming up, we've got the announcement of the 13th annual Momo Crawl winner. Who's gonna win the belt? Make some noise if you want to see that happen. I don't know who it's gonna be, but I can't wait to find out.
But first, we have to introduce our sponsor for the Momo eating contest. I'll give it to you, Rinza.
And from Rupee Beer, who sponsored today's Momo eating contest. Do we have Rupee Beer?
Yeah, my name is Van. I'm actually one of the founders of Rupee Beer. I didn't want to talk today, but these guys are so insistent to say a few small words. We love Himalayan culture, and this is our 2nd year sponsoring this specific crawl. We came especially to New York City. New York City is a very important city for us. Yesterday we were at the New York City Hot Sauce Festival. So Diversity Plaza, so much energy, such a fantastic place, and Rupee Beer is just beyond beer. In case you didn't get to try us at any of the restaurants that serve us here in New York City and here in Jackson Heights, we're about culture. So things like this are amazing, and congrats to all the winners of the contest. And I'm really excited to see who wins the crawl this year. So without a doubt, thank you so much. Good evening, and thank you so much for coming.
Yeah.
Do we have the belt? Thank you, Dasha.
Have you seen this belt before?
Make some noise if it's not your first time at Momo Crawl. Make some noise if it's your first time.
Wow,
Presenting to you the Golden Momo Championship Belt, presented to the winner of the crawl, decided by you, the people, by your votes. Who serves the best Momo in Jackson Heights? To announce this year, we have a very special guest. She is the former owner, founder, operator of New York, not just New York, but America, not just America, but the entire Western Hemisphere's first Tibetan restaurant. The first restaurant to serve Momo anywhere on this continent. Please welcome to the stage, Pema Tonden. She opened Tibetan Kitchen in 1981. Would you like to say a few words?
Yes. Well, I really like to thank the Student for Free Tibet and today's organizer for asking me to announce this year's winner. I'm very happy to do that. And before I announce it, I'm so happy and proud how our community has come a long way since I first opened a Tibetan restaurant in Manhattan 45 years ago. Many of you are not even born. Maybe some of your parents are not born. But today, to see how much it has grown has made me very happy. And I really like to thank our youth, Tibetan youth, for keeping it alive, keeping our spirit alive. And SFD, thank you for your fight. Never give up. You make us very proud, and thank you.
Alright guys, so once the winner is announced, we will take this belt and we will start marching to the restaurant.
Starting with the 4th place winner.
First place. What is this? Gokali, Nepali restaurant.
Gokali Nepalese restaurant. In 3rd place.
Yes. 3rd place, Himalayan yak.
Rumble your feet, folks. Rumble your feet. Stomp your feet. Clap your hands. In 2nd place.
And 2nd, Nepali Banchaga.
And the winner of the 13th annual Momo Crawl.
Oh